Hey everyone, this is Francois. I now got around to getting my picking up my $1 package. It's been at the post office sitting for about 2 weeks or so, and I've now gotten around to it. To come coaching, sweet. The workbook. Probably should have gone for this every since, because every day I did a challenge, I printed the pages for the sale of all the paper, but I guess I could transfer all my notes to this, which I will be doing today. My receipts. That's a rating for me as an affiliate. MP3 player. This has the recordings of the first $1 challenge on it. See if it has any power. Nice. Coming on. And it's working. I have to get some earphones. Let me see. Definitely have to get some earphones for this. I was hoping I had a speaker, but I have some earphones laying around somewhere. Let's see what's in the box. It's a little booklet. Nice. Okay, right. That's that. And the most important piece of this puzzle. You can see it here all wrapped nicely. This is very nicely wrapped, don't you think? Very, very nicely wrapped. And this looks like, it's heavy though. It looks like a wedding present. Gave me a $50 bill. It's cool. Right, and the 30days.com book. It teaches you, if you suddenly lose everything, how to get back your money in 30 days. He did a 30-day summit with people in his that was using ClickFunnels, and are high earners, and they teach you step by step everything that they do in this book. And they got all this along with 30 days of training for $100 US. And the training was the bomb. The training was the bomb. The training taught me everything I need to know about selling, everything I need to know about getting people to buy my products and services, and how to take care of them. Before I did training, I was very poor, but no. When I say poor, I don't mean money. I was poor in selling. I didn't know what to do. I didn't know how to create a proper offer, but now I do. And now that I have these things, it's going to be even better. I would encourage anyone who wants to get all this cool stuff, the MP3 player, the 30 days book, the school pamphlet, the workbook, and the 2 comma coaching to join the $1 challenge as soon as possible. We hold them every month, so please don't miss out on the next one. Alright, I'm going to enjoy these things now, so have a great day. Have a very, very great day. Bye-bye.